Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making strawberry lemonade cookies using box cake mix. If you're interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. The base of our cookies will be this Duncan Hines Perfectly Moist Classic White Cake Mix. It is a 15.25 ounce box. To this, we're going to add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil and 2 eggs. That will create our base. To that, we're also going to add some vanilla extract. Once we have all those ingredients well combined, we're going to split the dough in half, and then we will then flavor them for the lemon and the strawberry. So let's go ahead and get the cake mix in the bowl. We're going to add our vegetable oil and our 2 eggs. I go in with about a teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So we have our spoon. We're going to go ahead and mix this together. So here I have another bowl. I'm going to try to, again, as evenly as possible, remove half of this and add it to this bowl. And I'm just going to leave it like this. So we'll go ahead and start with this half. We are going to make this the lemon. Here I have the zest of 1 lemon. I'm going to go ahead and dump this in. Whenever I do anything with lemon, it's always my preference to use lemon zest as opposed to lemon extract. It's just a much better flavor to me, but you can, by all means, use lemon extract. I would add about a teaspoon to this. And now I'm going to go in with a drop of yellow gel color. So let's go ahead and mix this up. All right, so here we have our lemon portion. I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side. Here we have the other bowl of batter. So for the strawberry, I'm actually gonna add some strawberry extract and then some pink gel color. I'm gonna go in with roughly a teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoons. I don't know why I hate measuring extract so much. I just assume I eyeball it. So here we have our pink gel color. I'm just gonna go in. I'll start with 1 drop. It'll probably show the pink better than it showed the yellow, so I may not need any more. So now that we have this well combined, I'm gonna go ahead, grab everything else we'll need, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. The doughs have been in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Here I have a small scoop. I am going to take 1 scoop of each, the strawberry and the lemon. But we're gonna go ahead and place this in the refrigerator like this, and then we'll come back and put the final touch to them before we place them into the oven. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I've just removed the cookies from the refrigerator. Here we have a strawberry sauce If you watched any of my strawberry videos or my recipes with strawberry in it, chances are I've made this. I made it off camera, but I will include the recipe as well as the instructions down below in the description box. I'll also include a link to a video where I made it on camera if you would like to see me actually making it. But here I have a 1.5 tablespoon measuring spoon, and I'm just gonna go through and make a little indentation in each of the cookies, right in the center. And then I'm gonna take 1.5 tablespoons of the strawberry sauce and set it right in the center of the cookie. I can let you guys know now I haven't tried this, so I'm not quite sure how it's gonna turn out. We're gonna hope for the best. But if you guys see this video, then it's probably safe to assume it turned out well. All right, so I'm gonna place these in a 350-degree oven for about 20-ish minutes. I'll adjust that time as I need, and as always, I'll let you guys know exactly how long it takes in my oven when I remove them. Here are the cookies after 13 minutes in the oven. I have them sitting on the cooling rack. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put another batch in the oven, and then I'll see you guys soon. So we're back with 8 of our cookies. The recipe made a total of 14, but for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna glaze 8 of them. I did not make this glaze on camera, but if you watch the red velvet brownie recipe, I was stating that I had some glaze left over that I was gonna use for another recipe, and this is it. I will, however, leave the ingredients and instructions for making this glaze down below in the description box. So I'm just gonna go through and put a drizzle of this vanilla glaze on top of the cookies. We've made it to the end of the video. Here we have our finished product, our strawberry lemonade cookies made with box cake mix. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.